In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. If your drive storage is getting full, or you simply want to remove old chat backups for privacy, this quick walkthrough will help you clean things up safely. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and head to the home page. Make sure you're using the Google account that holds your WhatsApp backup. On the left sidebar, look for Storage and click it. Storage shows you exactly what's taking up space in your drive, including large files and special sections like backups. This view makes it easier to find items that don't appear in your regular My Drive folders. Next, in the storage page, find and click Backups. This is where Google Drive keeps things like device backups and app-specific backups, including WhatsApp. Inside Backups, look for the WhatsApp entry. When you select it, choose the option to delete data in WhatsApp. That command removes the WhatsApp backup stored in Drive, which can include your messages and media that WhatsApp saved for restore purposes. A few important notes while you do this. Deleting the backup from Google Drive does not erase chats currently on your phone. It only removes the cloud copy used for restoration. However, if you later uninstall WhatsApp or set it up on a new device, you won't be able to restore from this deleted backup. Make sure you no longer need it before proceeding. If you maintain multiple Google accounts, double check you're in the correct one so you delete the right backup. After deletion, give it a moment. The WhatsApp entry should disappear from the backups list and your Drive storage total will update accordingly. If freeing up space is your main goal, you'll likely see an immediate difference in the storage meter since WhatsApp media can be sizable. And if you change your mind in the future, you can create a fresh WhatsApp backup again from within the app. It will save a new copy to Google Drive under Backups. For privacy-conscious users, removing outdated backups ensures old data isn't lingering in the cloud longer than you intend. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Drive Home, click Storage, open Backups, and delete data in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider checking out more guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.